Raj, quick question. What do you do when you're not working?
Hey Anjali, good question. In my free time, I love playing football and watching movies. Why do you ask?
Well, yesterday my coworker asked me, "What are your hobbies?" And my mind went completely blank.
Oh no, did you get nervous?
Yes, I forgot all my words. I just looked at her and said, "I am nothing. I sleep. Goodbye."
Oh Anjali, I am nothing, I sleep sounds a bit funny, but don't worry. This happens to so many beginners. Asking about hobbies is how people make friends.
I know. I want to speak confidently when someone asks me about my free time. But I don't want to sound like a school textbook.
You won't. Today is all about English speaking practice. We are going to learn three simple patterns to talk about your hobbies naturally, and our friends watching at home will practice speaking out loud with us.
Oh, speaking practice. Can everyone at home copy our voices?
Yes, when we speak, I want everyone watching to repeat the sentences out loud. Let's start. The absolute easiest way to talk about a hobby is using the word like or love followed by an action word ending in ing.
Can you give me an example?
Sure, I love books. So I say, I like reading books. Now, Anjali, you repeat after me. I like reading books.
I like reading books.
Perfect. Now, friends at home, your turn. Speak out loud with Anjali. I like reading books. Great.
What if I like to make food in the kitchen, Raj?
Then you use the ing word for cook. You say, I like cooking. Let's practice that. Anjali, go ahead.
I like cooking.
And friends at home, say it out loud now. I like cooking. Excellent.
Wow, this pattern is so simple. I like listening to music. I like watching movies.
Exactly. You just add ing to the hobby. Let's move to pattern number 2.
What is the second pattern, Raj?
Sometimes people ask, what do you do in your free time? So, you can start your sentence with those exact words. In my free time, and then just add a simple action word.
Oh, let me try. In my free time, I sleep.
Yes, that is a very real hobby. In my free time, I sleep. Let's practice that together. Anjali,
In my free time, I sleep.
friends at home, say it with confidence. In my free time, I sleep. Good job. What else do you do, Anjali?
In my free time, I walk in the park.
Beautiful sentence. Let's practice that one. Anjali first.
In my free time, I walk in the park.
Your turn at home. Speak it out loud. In my free time, I walk in the park. Wonderful. You see how natural that sounds? Now, let's go to the error lab. Today, it is a speaking test. I will show you a broken sentence and you must say the correct version out loud before Anjali does.
Ooh, a challenge. Let's do it.
Sentence number 1. I like play cricket. What is wrong here? Speak the correct version at home now. Okay, Anjali, tell them.
Remember the ing rule after like? It should be I like playing cricket.
Correct. Sentence number 2. In my free time, I am watch TV. Find the mistake and say it out loud at home. Anjali,
Remove the word am. It should be In my free time, I watch TV.
perfect. Last one. I like read. Say the correct one out loud at home right now. Anjali, finish it up.
I like reading.
Brilliant. If you got all three right at home, give yourself a clap. Your speaking is getting better every day.
Raj, this speaking practice was so much fun. I don't feel nervous talking about my hobbies anymore.
I am so glad, Anjali. Remember, speaking a language is like playing a sport. You cannot learn it just by reading a book. You have to move your mouth and practice out loud.
Exactly. So, friends at home, it is time for your daily speaking and writing homework.
Open your phone keyboards and go straight to the comment section below this video.
Use one of our patterns today and tell us, what is your hobby?
You can write, I like playing video games, or in my free time, I cook dinner.
Don't worry about making mistakes. The error lab is always open down there. Raj and I will read your sentences and help you fix them very gently. We are a learning family here.
Yes, we are learning together. If this video helped you practice your English today, please show us some love.
Click that like button right now. And please don't forget to subscribe. Your likes and comments give us so much motivation to make more videos just like these for you. Every single subscribe makes our team so happy.
Share this speaking video with a friend or family member who wants to practice speaking English at home.
Thank you so much for watching Day 5 with us. You are doing an amazing job. Keep practicing and keep smiling.